So right now, let me show you how you can clear the Google Chrome history on your Android phone. Let's get started. So at first, naturally locate the Google Chrome app. Just open it up like this. And you can see that I'm already in the history. But if you're not, just go to whichever page you have, whatever you are doing. But essentially tap on the three dots menu in the top right corner. So you can click on this and you can see a bunch of different options, but history is right there. So you can click on history and there is the option to delete browsing data. So you can tap this, but you could also notice that right below the history, we also have the delete browsing data. And this is the history. So you can click on this and then it's important to pick the correct time frame because you can delete what happened or the browsing data for in the last 15 minutes, hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, and all time. So if I only choose like 15 minutes and clear the data, right, it's going to be like gone or whatever, but it's not really, that useful because if I go to the history, all of the other things are right there. But if I delete every single thing, then, I'm going to click on this like that, and essentially every single thing will be deleted and I'm gonna be good to go. So that's, again, you can see, go to all time, deleted like that, everything is now removed. And if I now return to the history, you're gonna notice that it's empty except for the one page which I just clicked on. So I can even delete it like that and the history is completely clear, and that's how you can go about it. So let me know below in the comments if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and guides like this one. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hopefully catch you in the future tutorials as well.